name is Jarsjo. I'm from Stockholm University in Sweden, and I have a hydrological background, so hydrology and water resources. And I'm very much interested in nature-based solutions, including wetlands and how wetlands can be used to mitigate floods and to clean the water, to support biodiversity. And Naturance is about disaster risks and disaster risk reduction. And in this context, I think that I and my colleagues at Stockholm University can contribute to looking at, for instance, how wetlands can work on larger scales. So how can they function in the landscape in a way that is useful for society and that is useful for people? So I'm looking forward to this work in the future.